أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will just discuss about the long signs. As you know that there are six short signs: Fatha, Kasra, Damma, Fathatain, Kasratain, Dammatain. As well as there are six long signs. These six long signs are called the Long Harakaat and the Maddah letters. Today we will just discuss about the long signs. One thing you have to remember that if you didn't learn the short sign, you cannot understand the long sign. First you have to check the short sign videos, then come to the long sign. There are six long signs and we will discuss three of them today. So the first three are standing fatha, standing kasra, inverted damma. These are called long harakat. The sound of long harakat, like standing fatha sound is a, standing kasra sound is e, and standing damma sound is u. For example, if there is ba, the letter ba, so we will use B, the English alphabet B for that. So this will be ba, and for kasra, B, for dhamma, boo. If there is meme, so we will use M. Ma, me, and moo. I hope you understand. Now we will check this, that how to read these letters. This one is ba. First we will read the letter ba, then its sign, the standing fatha, then its sound. So, ba, standing fatha, ba, ba, standing kasra, b, ba, inverted damma, boo, sound will be ba, b, boo. For meme, we will read it like meme, standing fatha, ma, meme, standing kasra, me, meme, inverted damma, mu, ma, me, mu. Same here, ha, standing fatha, ha, ha, standing kasra, he, ha, inverted damma, who, sound will be ha, he, who. We will read only the sound now. Qa, bold, qi, qu, sin will be whistly, sa, si, su, za will be hard and bit whistly, za, zi, zu. Same here for ta, ta, ti, tu. This one, na, ni, nu. This one, these two letters will be soft. Tha, thi, thu. Same here. The, the, thu. This one will be za, the hard and whistly. This one will be soft. The, z, the, zoo, the. This one, sa, the, si, the, su, thu. You have to make the difference between the sound of the letters. The last line, this one you have to read by yourself. And if you have any kind of question, you can let me know in the comment section. In the next video, we will learn about the madda letters, the next three long signs. I hope you understand everything. If you want to learn Quran with us, just comment below your number or email address or anything, or contact us as you can see the number on the screen, and we will contact you inshallah. Till the next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.